to Delicious Dishes by Dianna, and today I'm going to make an oldie but goodie taco salad, Frito salad, Mexican salad. I don't know, in the late 60s and early 70s, my mom used to make this all the time for functions and parties and get-togethers, Bible study groups, potlucks. It is delicious. I like it a lot. It's easy to make, and let me show you how it's done.
Let's start out with a pound of lean ground sirloin. You can use ground beef, ground chuck. Mine's 90-10, 90 fat, 10%. 90 lean, 10% fat. Break it up a little bit. Add a tablespoon of taco seasoning. Stir that in. About a half a teaspoon of salt. Drain the meat into a bowl that's lined with a paper towel to collect the grease.
Let's sample this and see if it's seasoned correctly. Good.
Add in some shredded cabbage, some mixed green lettuce, slice up some grape tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes or whatever tomatoes you have on hand. I quartered them. Add those to the bowl. I added some onion and some red beans, some carrots, cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. Put a lid on it, shake it to mix it really well. Now I'm going to put this on the plate, and then I realize my plate's not big enough. Sprinkle on a little bit of ground beef, browned ground beef. You could put some Fritos on top, but I saw these and I thought, ooh, those might be good, so I added the honey barbecue. But you can use regular corn chips. There's some Catalina dressing, so I put it in a bowl so I could mix it all together. Again, stir it up. Place it on the plate without making too big of a mess.
Taco salad. So excited. Aw, get a good bite on here. There we go. The salty from the cheese and the spices and the salty spices on the ground beef, the salty from the Fritos, and then that Catalina dressing is sweet. Oh boy, does that take me back. Ooh, back. Make some. It's delicious. It's a great spring and summer salad. Protein, vegetables, chips, all the good stuff. Cheese. I hope you'll enjoy this. I hope you'll make some. Have a blessed day. Shine for Jesus in all you do. Bye.